Alright guys, so today I am doing installing a catch can in the supercharged XKR, and the reason is this PVC valve, the stock PVC valve, is no longer keeping up with the power that I am producing. I'm about 100 horsepower more, and this thing is not keeping up, and I'm getting tons of oil inside here. And once in a while we get a puff of blue smoke, especially on deceleration. So I got this generic catch can, and it actually kind of is a really good, perfect fit install. I had some extra hoses from an expansion tank laying around, so I used that one hose to actually make perfect fit here because of all the bends and angles. And what I did is at the end here, this is a plastic tube. If you cut this off, this is a hard plastic tube, but what I did is I just these connectors here actually are a perfect fit into that. These are the connectors that came with the catch can. I assume it's a standard size, and this end was actually a perfect fit this way into that plastic tube. I just used the heat gun a little bit to help the plastic tube expand, and I just screwed it in, and we had connectors for the pipes. And these bands definitely helped to make the install pretty much perfect here, as you can see. So I am really happy how it turned out, and I did not want to use the plastic tube that came, this is what came with the kit, but this is pretty easily bendable. This is no good for vacuum connection because it would just collapse on itself. So that this coolant expansion hose, actually I used this one. This is the one that I replaced, and that's the one that I used. And it's actually pretty hard, so it should not collapse and cause any issues there. So we'll see how much oil I get, and I just need to put 2 screws in here for a mounting point. Otherwise it's a pretty easy and pretty perfect install here. So we'll see how it runs. Okay, yeah, I recommend it for anybody who's pushing more power than stock, tune, pulley, or whatever you have. I think it's a must because oil blow by is pretty excessive, or not blow by, but because of more pressure in the crankcase, so we're getting a lot more oil into the intake. So I definitely recommend, but we'll see how it works. I might have to, we'll see how this particular catch can behaves. Otherwise I have another one to try and see how much oil it actually catches. All right.